Hello guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today we're gonna talk about Chanskate 2024. Yes guys, you must be wondering that what is this Chanskate. Before that, let me just tell you that German Gyan is a one-stop solution to if you are willing to learn German language, then do WhatsApp us on this given number. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes from A1 to C2, teacher training program, exam preparation, medical practice, interview preparation, whatever you can think around German Gyan is there to help you at a one-stop solution. Yes guys, you must be wondering that what is this Chanskate. That Chanskate is a second name for job seeker visa. Yes guys, earlier job seeker visa you will be getting, like you used to get around 6 months, but now, and earlier the part-time jobs were not allowed, but right now this Chanskate which has just came, they have extended this work visa, job seeker visa till 1 year plus. You can do your part-time job up to minimum 20 hours, and that too guys, if you are not getting any part-time job, then you can just extend it for 2 years. And in case you have got your job, then guys you can make that visa into, in that case if you have got the job, then you are having two options. First, you can transfer that Chanskate into your work visa, so you can convert it into a blue card. And guys, let me just tell you, you must be wondering that when we gonna get the PR in that case. So PR, if you are having the work visa, then in around 33 months you will be getting your PR, and if you have the blue card, then around in 21 months in Germany as a PR. And guys, the very interesting thing, if you have worked continuously for 5 years, then you will be eligible for the passport of Germany. So that is absolutely new thing and a very interesting thing. Then guys, if I come to the education like your masters or the degree, so in that case the graduation degree and the master degree, so in that I just want to clear, earlier that was mandate to have a particular field graduation or the masters, but now if you have done only diploma, then also you can apply for this Chanskate. I think so this is a ultimate thing which they have come up. So guys, now if I come to the requirements, then your degree, if you are graduated or masters, or if you have the diploma, everything should be recognized in Germany by the university. That is very, very important. Next, you have to showcase your proof of living, the proof of you can say where you're gonna live, how you're gonna survive. So these proofs you should be having. In case you don't have the proper residence there, or you don't have hostels or something which you haven't booked yet, so you have to showcase that you are doing some part-time job which you can apply directly online sitting at home. So in case you have that, then you have to showcase that. That is again very important. And guys, if you have not any part-time job, if you are not having any part-time job, then you have to showcase your block account amount, or you have to get sponsored by someone else. So this like from these three things, any one thing, it is mandate for you. Now last but not the least, the language and requirement field is again very important. In German, A1 is required, but I will be suggesting you that if you are going for the part-time job, then minimum B1 level you should apply. So for that, German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. This is a WhatsApp number, you can come and learn German with German Gyan. And guys, the English, again the English is mandate till B2 level, so you have to apply for the IELTS, and it's a proper procedure. Let's come to the next one. So guys, for the Chanskate we are having a point system. So in this point, they will be choosing you, they will be accepting your profile, they will be shortlisting your profile according to these points. So I'm just letting you know that what and how that points they give. Guys, if you have the recognized degree or the recognized diploma from German university, then you will be getting 4 points, which is a very high points. Second, if you will be having the 2 years experience in last 5 years, then you will be getting 2 points. And suppose in last 7 years you are having 5 years experience, then you will be getting 3 points. Again, it is very important. If you have only learned till A1, then you will be getting no points. If you have done A2, then 1 point, B1 2 points, B2 3 points, and if you have learned English till C1, then you will be getting 1 point. If you are having your profession comes into the bottleneck, then you will be getting 1 point. And guys, for the age criteria, they also have the point. So if you are under 35, then you will be getting 2 points, and if you are between 35 to 40, then you will be getting 1 point. Very important. If you have already lived in Germany as a student visa or having a work visa, then minimum till 6 months, then you will be getting 1 point. And guys, if your spouse is also applying for the Chanskarte, and if his or her profile has been eligible, then you both will be getting 1 point each. So yes, these are the point criterias which they follow to shortlist your profile for Chanskarte 2024. So guys, these were the basic and all the details which I want to tell you. If you want to apply for Chanskarte, then I will be putting the link in the description. You can go there, you can apply from there, and in case you are looking forward for any other knowledge or any other question you have related to Chanskarte, then German Gyan is there to reply you 24/7. Make sure to comment down below. Make sure you can WhatsApp me, you can DM me on German Gyan, or you can DM me on LinkedIn. So anywhere you can apply, you can reply to us. We will be eagerly waiting to answer your questions. Stay tuned because lots of new things are coming up. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Tschüss.